Hey there everyone, Ocean County WX here. And what you are seeing is the scrolls on all of my radios. After the KIH28 RWT. My R310 Pro went off for the WXM60 one, but...
In 13.
Yeah, my phone glitched out, so it will look weird in the video because I decided to put both clips in there, but yeah. Let's not take too long and get right into it. Now.
Receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day.
Bro, what the fuck? Oh, there goes,
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station WXM60 in Southard, Howell Township, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated for all counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Including the coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake in about 40 nautical miles, Raritan Bay, Sandy Hook Bay, and New York Harbor. Includes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXM60 in Southard, Howell Township, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the...
Okay, wow.